Hey my love, thank you for stopping by once again. So happy to see you here. Today we're going to be doing half up, half down hairstyle. If you don't know what I mean, keep watching, you'll see. So guys, this hairstyle is self-explanatory. I'm sectioning off the hair because half of this hairstyle is going to be a ponytail and half of it is going to be a sew-in. Using a little bit of hair, I'm going to be doing my favorite base braid patterns. One that is flat and easy to manage, also secure. So as I halfway braid the hair, I'm going to take the first braid and connect it to that braid. Yes, I do moisturize my client's hair prior to braiding. Okay, let's not forget, let's normalize oiling and moisturizing our client's hair, okay? Oh yeah, so there it is. I went ahead and I completed the braid pattern, and now I'm going to take the braid and sew it underneath so that it isn't lingering. So I connected the L braid, or the backwards L braid, however you want to describe it, to the last braid, and now I'm going to sew it underneath and secure it. Ooh, these nails, child. I need my nail tech to come back to work and hook me up, because this is saying. Just say it. When you're doing this hairstyle, yes, your braid pattern needs to be secure. No, it does not need to be tiny and time consuming. Well, that's for me personally. I get the job done either way. Alright, so now that I have my braiding pattern done, I like to start sewing right away. Some people like to get the ponytail out the way. I personally like to sew and style and then do my ponytail. Everybody has their way of doing things. And this is mine. So yeah, enjoy. Love you. Hope you're still here. I personally love doubling tracks. I recommend this to all of my stylos, all of my friends and family, and myself. I love doubling tracks. I just love the way full hair looks. Where is thin hair going? Yes, sorry. Lord, sorry. Don't get me wrong, I do believe in cutting tracks. However, only when it's necessary. I do strongly believe in the flip over method, and that's what you see me doing here. To make sure it's absolutely flat, I just go over it multiple times with the thread and try my best to make sure that it's flat and secure. full the hair is. Your hair has to be full and thick, okay? Like, come on. It's 2021. No thin hair. Anyways, I'm just going to clean up the part. You know, that's the end of the hairstyle. And just send my client on.
Who got something to say? Who? Huh? Who? I'm crying.
I'm joking. I would never send her on the road like that. Be careful when you're working with this hot comb. Otherwise, you're going to be like me and leave a big ugly mark on your wrist after burning yourself. Please don't do that. I love y'all too much. So she wanted big bouncy curls for her half up, half down look. So I'm gonna go ahead and start curling and pinning. While it's setting, I will then do the ponytail. The way I do my ponytails are quite simple and easy to follow. If you haven't yet watched my ponytail video on my YouTube channel, go ahead and watch. It gives you a step-by-step version of how I do it with my ponytail, and it's the same process every time. Just a little disclaimer, use got to be glued spray for this lay down, okay? Not Gorilla Glue spray. All right? You heard? In the back, y'all heard? what happened to the footage of me braiding her hair and wrapping it, but that's exactly what I did. I braided it and I wrapped it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of glue, hair glue, onto the track and bring it around until I reach the top. Oh, hey girls, y'all see my girl sitting pretty in the back? If you're in the Greater Toronto area, let me know if you want a wig made, okay? I got you. Finally, everything is curled done. I'm just gonna go ahead and take those pins out and brush through those luscious, big, bouncy curls. So cute, I love it. Just taking these bouncy, big curls. So luscious. Well, all right now. Super pretty, super cute, bouncy, full. I love it. Do you guys like it? Give me a thumbs up. Let me know. Leave some comments in the comment section. You know, let me know other hairstyle you'd like to see. Show your girl some love. Also, follow me on Instagram, Stylengracehaircollection. Okay? I'll catch y'all back here next time. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay beautiful. Love you.